Here are a bunch of ways you can optimize a 13th gen laptop, Intel or similar, in 2025, balancing performance, thermals, battery life, reliability. If you tell me the exact model, I can give more specific steps too. What to know about 13th gen architecture. Many 13th gen Intel chips use a hybrid core design, P, performance cores, plus E, efficient cores. The OS or firmware dynamically assigns tasks. These CPUs can run hot under load, especially the HHX series. Thermal throttling or power limit restrictions can reduce performance. Battery life and thermals often trade off with performance. What you tune depends on whether you want speed, silence, or battery. In optimization steps. Here are practical steps. You can pick and choose, depending on what you care about most. Speed versus battery versus temperature. Area what to do. Result, why it helps BIOS. Firmware, drivers. Update, BIOS UEFI, pull firmware, plus drivers. Check for thermal or performance-related updates from your laptop maker. Improve stability, possibly better power, thermal profiles. Fixes for throttling or bugs. Power, performance modes. Use built-in power modes, balanced, performance, quiet, etc. On laptops, like Lenovo, use tools like Vantage to pick best performance when plugged in, and balanced, power saver, on battery. Reduce, disallow turbo boost when you don't need peak performance. Reduces heat and power draw, prolongs battery, avoids throttling. Core configuration. If available, experiment with disabling some E-cores or P-cores via BIOS or manufacturer software for certain workloads. For gaming or heavy single-thread tasks, limiting to only P-cores sometimes helps with consistent performance. For light tasks, use E-cores or efficient modes. You can reduce power use, heat, and get more consistent speeds in specific tasks. Thermal management. Keep air vents clean, use compressed air. Use a cooling pad. Avoid using on soft surfaces, beds, laps without airflow. If available, tweak fan curves or set higher fan speeds when doing heavy work. Use monitoring tools to watch CPU/GPU temperature. Apply good thermal paste if you're confident opening laptop, or ensure good cooling contact. Lowers temperature under load, meaning less throttling and more sustained performance. Software and OS tuning. Disable or remove unnecessary startup programs. Turn off background apps you don't need. Keep the OS up to date. Use efficient apps when possible. For gaming, disable overlays, processes that may interfere. Ensure SSD has enough free space. Full SSDs slow down. Use high-performance power plan when plugged in. Balanced or power saver on battery as needed. Adjust screen brightness, lower when on battery. Frees up CPU, RAM, and I/O so more headroom for the tasks that matter. Less heat and power use. Voltage. Power limit. Tweaks. Advanced, with caution. Use Intel XTU or similar tools, if supported, to tweak power limits or undervolt CPU. Adjust turbo power limit in BIOS. Software. Reduce maximum clock when full load isn't required. Be careful. Stability and warranty considerations matter. Some laptops locked down undervolting can reduce heat and power while keeping useful performance. Avoid throttling spikes, but missetting can cause instability. Battery life-specific tweaks. On battery, use power saver or balance modes. Dim the display. Turn off Wi-Fi Bluetooth when not needed. Turn off keyboard backlight or RGB lighting. Use efficient E-cores for light tasks. Maybe disable discrete GPU if your laptop has a switchable GPU. Extends battery runtime. Probably you lose a bit of performance, but if you don't need full performance, you'll stay cooler and longer. What to watch out for? Chicken no sa. Reducing power limits or disabling cores does reduce maximum performance, especially in heavily multi-threaded tasks, video rendering, encoding, etc. Undervolting or using very aggressive fan profiles might increase fan noise or risk instability. Warranty, JOCH, hardware safety. Messing inside the laptop, thermal paste, hardware tweaking could void warranty. Settings. Use appropriate media, add bold subtitles with popping effect,